In this video, we are going to be looking at the Bwise 7-foot by 14-foot high-side dump trailer, model number DT714LP-LE-14-H. Its GVW is 14,000 pounds. The empty weight is 4,045 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 9,955 pounds. The interior dump bed measures 81.5 inches wide by 14 feet long and measures 44 inches deep. The length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 16 feet, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 101 inches. This DT714LP-LE-14-H includes a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler and a 12,000-pound side wind drop leg jack. It's a power-up gravity-down unit with twin telescopic cylinders and a slipper spring suspension system. It comes with two 7,000-pound Easy Lube axles and a full-height barn door gate that opens from the center. In addition to this unit also comes with a set of slide-out ramps, D-rings, and stake pockets. Some other popular options for this trailer include a Tarp kit, a spare tire mount with spare tire, an aluminum wheel upgrade, and a wireless remote. The battery on this trailer will trickle charge while it is plugged into the towing vehicle. For those who wish to charge their battery between uses with a standard 110-volt outlet, a battery charger can also be added. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com. Or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.